C++ is a widely popular object-oriented, general-purpose language that has left an indelible mark in the world of programming. Stick around as we uncover some intriguing details about this influential language. Before we dive into the fascinating facts, let's understand the foundation of C++. Designed in 1979 by Bjarne Stroustrup, C++ is an extension of the C programming language. With its amalgamation of object-oriented, imperative, and generic programming models, C++ offers a plethora of features and facilities that surpass those found in its predecessor, C. C++ finds itself at the core of various contemporary and modern systems, including databases, web browsers, operating systems, and more. In fact, many of these systems rely on C++ for at least some part of their functionality, making it an indispensable language in the software industry. Not only is C++ widely employed in various domains, but it also shines in performance-critical areas due to its high speed. So, let's begin our exploration of the interesting facts about C++. Fact number 1. Did you know that C++ was initially known as the new C? Yes, it's true. The name C++ was coined by Rick Mashity, a computer programmer. He believed that the ++ in the name represented an improvement from the original C programming language. Over time, C++ evolved with the addition of new functions and features, while still maintaining its strong connection to its predecessor. Fact number 2. C++ has significantly influenced numerous other programming languages. Languages like Java, C#, and even the updated versions of C owe their existence, in part, to the influence of C++. Drawing inspiration from C, C++ has expanded on the existing framework and introduced new concepts, shaping the programming landscape we see today. Fact number 3. C++ boasts a vast library support known as the Standard Template Library (STL). This library offers a range of components such as iterators, functions, containers, and algorithms. Iterators help manage sequences of values, while functors allow for personalized function behavior. Containers provide classes to implement popular data structures like queues, stacks, vectors, and more. Lastly, algorithms cover essential operations like searching and sorting. Fact number 4. C++ finds extensive utility in databases. Many modern databases, including MEM-SQL, MongoDB, and MySQL, are coded in C++. This programming language's support for features like lambda expressions and exceptions, coupled with its performance, makes it a popular choice for database development. You'll find C++ powering numerous widely used applications and platforms, from social media giants like Facebook and Twitter to content management systems like WordPress and even video sharing platforms like YouTube. Fact number 5. Learning C++ can be quite challenging, as it has a steep learning curve. Many programmers venture into the world of C++ or C, but mastering these languages can be demanding. The complexity arises from handling low-level programming elements like multi-thread data races, memory storage models, pointers, template expansions, and more. However, once you overcome these challenges, the possibilities and rewards are immense. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on the fascinating facts about the C++ programming language. From its humble beginnings as the new C to its wide-ranging influence on other languages, the vast library support, its utility in databases, and its pervasive presence in various technologies, C++ continues to be a force to be reckoned with in the programming world. I hope you found these facts intriguing and that they inspire you to explore the vast possibilities offered by C++. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.